Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out ICP's price chart and see what is happening in the short term. But before we get into technical analysis side of stuff, we are going to at first talk about this very important clip from the man himself, Dominic Williams.
For the first time, the full power of the internet computer will be tangible to everybody in the world. Everybody who's got an internet connection. Anybody with an internet connection will be able to connect to the self-writing internet and create. And we believe that as a result, we'll quickly see the number of developers on the internet computer soar into the millions, and we'll see apps on the internet computer soar into the millions.
Okay, right there. That is a very big claim, talking about having millions of developers, meaning basically millions of users in ICP, and most importantly, having millions of applications built with Caffeine AI. Question is having millions of apps actually a realistic vision or not? And let's even forget millions. How long is it going to take realistically to have 1 million app built with Caffeine AI? I think we do have sort of kind of a reference, because recently Dominic Williams posted this. Caffeine factoid, 726 users with early access codes, already pushing 10 apps each and still building more. This is the genesis of Web 4, where AI meets blockchain, that is cloud, aiming for millions of new applications on ICP by 2026. Now, here's a very important point. These 720 users actually had early access, meaning what? Probably a whole lot more people wanted to have access to Caffeine, but since this is kind of an early launch and demo, they didn't really get the chance. Question is though, by the actual launch of Caffeine AI, how many users do you think we are going to have? I think initially we are going to have somewhere between, I'm gonna say probably 35 to 50,000 users. Now, here's a very important point. So far, this 720 users had access to Caffeine only about 30 days. Now, if the 50,000 users that we expect by the launch of Caffeine AI to be there are going to have, let's say, like 30 to 60 days to use Caffeine AI, they are most likely, in my view, are going to build something like 30 to even 40 apps. But let's ignore that. Let's say minimum they are going to build 20 applications, and all of a sudden, boom, you actually get your first million applications built with Caffeine on Internet Computer Protocol, and that is awesome. The point that I'm trying to make is this. I think this vision that Dominic has actually is very much realistic, and I fully understand Caffeine's launch is not really going to be all sunshine and rainbow. No, most likely we are going to have some bugs by the initial launch, but I expect those things to happen. From my POV, these aren't really important. What really matters is this. Are we overall on the right track or not? If we are, then okay, bugs can be fixed, problems can be solved, and at one point after the initial launch, I promise you, Caffeine will end up being the perfect product. And I am actually willing to say that probably after the first year of launch, we are going to end up having over 1 million users, aka 1 million developers. Why? Because these initial 50,000 users, if they are going to like Caffeine AI, which I do actually sort of kind of believe that they are going to like the product, well, okay, they tell their families, their friends that this is a fantastic product, and essentially you are having the snowball effect, which will cause more and more people to use Caffeine, since it's going to be absolutely cheaper than your alternatives to build apps, and also you don't really need to hire a developer to build one. It's very important to understand that. You see, the main goal of Caffeine AI, from my POV at least, is to cut cost way down, and this will be the single most important thing that is going to cause massive amounts of adoption. So overall, I really cannot be any more bullish on ICP and Caffeine, and sure, in the short term the prices are kind of down, and that really goes to say, look, we are still way too early, and I honestly do not really see why I shouldn't use this opportunity to buy more and more ICP tokens. So overall, very much positive news for internet computer. And again, let me say this once more, I fully believe that having 1 million apps and potentially millions and millions of applications on ICP is a very much realistic vision. And later down the road, we are going to hopefully end up having also millions of users and developers on Caffeine, which will be fantastic. Now, having said all that, let's go on the live chart and see what is happening in the short term. Okay, here we are. And if you remember, the last time that we talked about ICP, we were right around, I believe, this area. And the idea was that if we want to argue that we have hit our final low, then okay, naturally our move up is going to accelerate quite a bit. Why? Because that scenario suggests that this is a wave 1 correction for wave 2. And what should be next? You know what? A strong move up into wave 3, 4, 5. Hence why we said this move has to accelerate. But on the other hand, we said, according to our primary scenario, odds are this is going to be part of a correction structure. And that's why we shouldn't really be overwhelmingly optimistic in internet computer. Odds are on a higher degree. We are having starting from this point and not the lowest low, ABC up into A, ABC down into wave B, and maybe a decent 5-wave up into our C leg. And now, given what is going on in here, I think we can actually say that this was a 1 correction for 2, and like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave up to at this point into wave 3, ABC down into wave 4, another move up into wave 5 into wave C. And well, this means in ICP, our move down is not over, and maybe it is going to continue quite a bit. And we said this in the previous video, and unfortunately, that pretty much played out. Question is, what is going on in the current area, and what are our options? At the moment, according to my primary scenario, I would like to be a bit optimistic and talk about the possibility of having a correction down in form of hopefully an ABC zigzag, which the subways for it are going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into a correction for wave B. Maybe ABC, maybe WXY, maybe even a triangle, doesn't really matter honestly. And then another 5 wave down into our C leg. And also, it's very important to understand that for our subwaves, for wave 1, 3, and 5 in here, we must have once more 5 waves on the downside. And for wave 2 and 4, we can actually consider different counts. It's not really that important. Let's say sure, ABC into 4 and like a WXY into wave 2. And why am I talking about this? Because if you are able to, in the recent phase down in ICP, find a complete 5-wave with all the subwaves, maybe you do have an argument for the final low being already. Yeah. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening. And now we can confidently say this is 5-wave down, this is correction on the upside, and what is happening in this whole phase down. So let's zoom in more. In my view, we are having most likely in here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. This is probably another 5 wave on the downside, and this initial move down also seems to be another impulsive structure. So these are 3 sets of 5 waves down, meaning on a higher degree. What's going on? This is a beautiful looking impulse. Followed by that, let's say, okay, to about this point we are having a correction, and in that case I'm thinking about the possibility of having an A, B, C flat, and pay attention to what is going on in the current area. In my view, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is correction structure on the upside. Let's say sure, like an A, B, C zigzag, and this can be another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down. This is most likely a corrective movement on the upside, since it seems like that it is actually a slow and choppy move on the upside. Now, if you want to be optimistic in internet computer and you want to say that we are quite close to the end of our move down, okay, I guess you can say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are only going to have one more move down into wave 5, and hopefully that will be at the low of our correction. But for the same reasons that right around this area we weren't so optimistic, we are not going to be optimistic in here either, and we are going to consider having in this area a series of 1-2s. This can be, excuse me, let's just do this, 5 wave down into a wave 1, correction for 2, and then another move down into wave 3, 4, 5, which might be on a higher degree into this wave 3 corrective movement before another move down into wave 5, and so on and so forth. Even this one can be into a wave 3. You know the story. Now, this scenario unfortunately suggests that our move down in ICP in the short term is going to continue, and to a degree, maybe it's even going to accelerate. But at the same time, it's very important to understand that as long as we are not taking the lowest low down here about $4.8, we are allowed to be optimistic and still consider some sort of an A, B, C zigzag, or if you are not comfortable with discount, maybe like a WXY in form of a double zigzag, generally some sort of a correction structure. Now, question, what if this move is going to continue, but this time we are going to take the lows in here? At that point, believe it or not, I am actually going to argue that in ICP, we are probably dealing with a fantastic buy opportunity. Why? Let's go on H1 time frame, excuse me. So here is what I'm thinking. I believe even if we go down and take the lows, we are still going to have a 1-2 setup, meaning what? The next move is going to be indeed once more a big one up. And even if we go down and take this low down here about $4.4, that is going to be actually that much of like a more buy opportunity. Why? Because in the long term in internet computer, I really have a hard time believing that off of the lowest low in here about $2.50, we are not having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is absolutely an impulse, followed by that we are having a very slow and choppy move down starting from this point and not here, contrary to popular beliefs. And well, from my POV, makes perfect sense to say, you know what, in ICP, this is 1, 2, and in the next phase of the bull run, we are going to see some very much exciting price action in internet computer into wave 3 and 4 and 5. I do think all of these are going to happen in this cycle, and odds are in the next phase, okay, we are going to get a very slow and absolutely annoying move on the downside, a correction structure, and that's actually going to be your next bear market. But you know, as long as we're not there, let's not talk about those scenarios. For now, let's focus in the mid to long term on this move on the upside and see where are we going to go. And hopefully your patience are going to be rewarded big time. And I do think that we are going to make quite a bit of money in ICP. Why is that? Okay, let me ask you this. If you want to buy a project in the crypto or even a stock market, what do you do? From my POV, I do a research and see what is going on in terms of number 1, fundamentals, and number 2, technicals. Now, in terms of technical analysis, and in my field of works, specifically Helios waves, this is basically the best setup that I can find in any chart. So no arguments there, we are looking great. Now, in terms of fundamentals, I think we can all agree that with the launch of the demo version of Caffeine AI, it is safe to argue that we are going to have in the future massive adoption, and ICP is actually going to be a big player in this space because it is able to offer something that most other cryptos do not really have the capability, including even Ethereum and Bitcoin. So fundamentals, fantastic. Technicals, we are looking as best basically as it gets. So I think from an investor POV, we have done our job, and it's just a matter of time to have an absolutely mooning phase. And honestly, these types of slow price action around the lows do not really scare me by the slightest. In fact, if we go down and maybe even go under like the $4.3 region, I am actually probably going to add quite a bit of ICP to my portfolio. So I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in internet computer. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.